I'll be honest with you. The first time I saw Flox, I thought, is that replacing Nix? That made me a bit sad. But the more I dug into Flox and how it works, the more I realized Flox is not here to replace Nix. It's here to make Nix accessible, shareable, and honestly, a lot more fun. Nix is powerful. I've been using it for many years. But let's face it, sharing your Nix setup or teaching others Nix, not so easy. Flox builds on Nix. It runs on the same engine underneath and provides a simple, almost Git-like interface. And if you're a Nix power user, no worries. Flox lets you drop in your flakes, build your Nix expressions, and publish them. All the Nix goodness is still here. So no, Flox isn't replacing Nix. I want more people to use Nix and have fun. So give Flox a try and have fun.